Hello and welcome to HoverX. I am Shubham. So today we are going to see how we can create an animated text using gradient effect in the CSS. So here I have a code sandbox open. So it has a div with a class of animated text, and I had written HoverX text with some curly brackets. And I have some styling applied to the body tag so that the text looks cool on the black background. So it has a display of flex, justify content center, and align an item center to make the text horizontally and vertically in center. I have given a height of 100 viewport height, and the background color and margin I had removed, and I had set a color of white so that it's visible on the dark background. So let's get started by writing the CSS for the animated text. So I'm giving a background color as a linear gradient to make the text look colorful. So I'm giving a background size of 400% so that it gets animated. So giving a background clip the background to the text. It will clip it just like this. And now since I have to show the background color inside the text, we can simply set text fill color to transparent. Now some properties do not work by default since they are not implemented in the browser. So we can use WebKit dash to make it work just like this. WebKit helps in supporting the not fully implemented properties in the Chrome and Safari browser. Now let's add keyframes animations. I am naming it colorful text. Now let's apply this animation to the animated text class. If there was a typo, it should be hacked. So as you can see, the text has a gradient text which is also animating. So by this way you can animate the text in the CSS. The key property is basically background clip and text fill color. Hope you learned something new in this video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the HoverX. Thanks for watching.